These are landscape staples.
Landscape staples.
That you can get Home Depot, garden shops.
Still need to do the sides. Are you filming?
You want to share?
What?
Your update?
Well, I'm putting gopher wire in hopes of keeping out gophers, from what I heard.
Gophers.
From
Potentially snakes. Snakes
rodents.
Live in the gopher holes.
Yeah, I probably need to get my other shoes. I'll come back.
We just got home. So, what was your process? You flattened it out.
Yeah, excavated it. Tried to do 4 inches deep. Try to keep it as level as possible, but it's tough because it's so uneven here. But I'm guessing it should look... We don't want it to be super straight.
No.
We want it to be...
I mean, the rocks aren't like solid straight once you put the gravel in.
I don't want them to be super straight. I want them to be kind of chunky. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be 3 inches of crushed rock.
And that's coming in tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting
laying it.
Road base and...
Yeah, 1 inch road base, 3 inch crushed rock. California gold.
That's the color. It's like the most popular, I think, in California, right?
I think so.
And we're going towards like authentic, organic style, not Arizona type of like New Mexico type. We're going like hacienda, Mediterranean, French style garden. Just like luscious and, as you can tell, like with our rosemary and stuff like that. Just very soft and not hard. We think it'll go better with our house. But yeah, he laid out chicken wire.
Well, I looked at an AI. I don't know if they call it gopher wire. It might be chicken wire.
This is chicken wire.
But it was easier to lay, they said. That was the pros.
Yeah, gopher wire you've worked with is hard. Yeah.
And then the mount. But they said the holes were small enough that they can't squeeze
through. No, they
through.
Can't.
So we'll see.
So we saw a friend, Rachel and Nick, and they have a property in Ramona, and we went over there a couple weeks ago, and they have grass all over their property, and we were told they put gopher wire all underneath to avoid any just disrupting.
Intruders?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I read on AI anyways, but when they brought that up, I was like, oh, maybe I do have to put it. I was going to skip it. Skip the cost.
Oh.
Just because it was like $500 for 2 rolls, $250.
But $500 in the long run is not going to be anything.
I know, but that's why I asked you
it's going to be peace of mind.
If you wanted to keep using it for other stuff. But I'm going to run out. Might need more, but actually we have...
Because we're going to be doing this area right here,
too. We have the tough gopher wire that those guys left for you.
Yeah.
So I might have enough. I should have enough, actually. I mean, I only need this piece right here, these little odd angles, and then that whole area over there. As you can see, look at the gopher holes. They pop up all the time. So we'll see.
But overall, I feel like this part is a little bit of the... This is like, would you say this is like the easiest process of everything else?
Takes a beating.
But yeah, this one you just kind of roll out.
But every video I saw, I'm sure there's machines that can excavate, but I don't know. But every video I saw on YouTube, they went to town just with their hands.
All right, this is part 4, I think 5. We'll share tomorrow. Tomorrow we're getting the delivery.
And I have to go to work. That's gonna be tough to like. I'll have to do like after work and just try to put at least a road base. That's probably gonna be the easiest part.
Yeah, I think.
Labor
you're not gonna
intensive.
be digging.
Well, I have to go get it, bring it over in the wheelbarrow over and over again and lay it. But it'll be a lot easier than beating up the ground.
This is called California Gold, I think it is, something gold. I said it in the last video, but it's a pretty color.